Now, during the pandemic, I've seen a lot of people starting to take an interest in investing. I love it. I love it. And there are many investing platforms for you to choose. So in this video, we're going to be talking about SOFI Invest. I'm gonna be giving you my review on it. What's up? I'm Brandon. I have taught hundreds of people how to make, save, and invest money through real estate, stocks, cryptocurrencies, and etc. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and don't forget to hit that bell so you don't miss a beat. Now, if you're a beginner in the investment game, SOFI Invest is great because it offers a no minimum amount to get started. So you can get started just as little as $1, which is awesome. Now, SOFI Invest, which SOFI means social financing. They first started off with student loan refinancing and personal loans, but since then they have branched out more into personal finance, hence this video. Now, typically SOFI has two investing accounts. So they typically have the one where you can buy and sell stocks that you choose, and they also have the version where you have a robo-advisor, which they have their personalized portfolios made already, and that robo-advisor will go ahead and invest for you. You just have to maybe put in a monthly amount or a weekly amount, whatever amount you want to put in, the robo-advisor will invest for you. Now, one of the many unique parts of SOFI Invest is their social aspect to it, which allows you to see what people are buying and selling in their portfolios. Now, from a personal take, I don't really like this aspect. Yes, it's great to see what people are buying and selling, but at the same time, you should be doing your own due diligence, your own research, and not basing things that you buy off of what somebody else has in their portfolio, which will allow a lot of newcomers to just come in, try to copy other people's portfolio, and feel that they're going to profit from that. But let's get into some of the pros and cons of this, because there's a lot of pros and there's a lot of cons. Now, one of the many pros is there is no minimum to invest. You see, a lot of people feel like there's a threshold. You have to have a large sum of money to start investing, and this kind of lowers the threshold with the minimum just being $1. So you can go ahead and get started with $1. Use my code in the description and you will get started with some free stocks. So why not? Number two is there is no trading fees, as well as there's no administration fees and anything like that. It is completely free to use the system, which is awesome. I mean, honestly, I've seen throughout all the other apps, they've started to like kind of integrate this commission free instance into all their apps. So it's kind of the same through all of that. But back in the day when I was using E-Trade, a lot of these things were costing like $5.99 per trade that you wanted to take place. And if you're consistently on the app making consistent trades, that $5.99 can add up quickly. Number three is they're gonna give you access to certified financial planners for no extra fee. If you don't know who those people are, those are people who basically help you to plan your financial integrity and future and help you to get on track. So it's awesome that they have that instance in their application. Number four is your ability to buy fractional shares. So if you don't know what a fractional share is, instead of having to buy like a large share of Amazon, which is probably over $1,000, you can decide whether you want to buy $1 of Amazon, $10 of Amazon, $20 of Amazon. You don't have to buy the full share to be invested in Amazon, which kind of lowers the threshold to get into some of these bigger companies that a lot of people want to take place in, but they feel like, I can't get in because I don't have the full money to get this full share. The next one is your ability to buy cryptocurrency. So a lot of brokerages are now allowing you to buy cryptocurrency. Maybe you want to have all your stocks, all your portfolio on one app. It's great to use this app because you can buy your cryptocurrency, you can buy your stocks, you can use your robo-advisor, whatever it may have you be. You can go ahead and get started with crypto right here. So we spoke about the pros, now let's get into the cons. Now, number one is it's only available to residents of the United States. So if you are outside of the United States, sorry, you cannot get involved at the moment. Number two is its track record. So it's only been available since 2017. So there's not a lot of information to base off the performance and stuff. I mean, it's been around for 4 years, but there's a lot of other companies that have been around for much longer. So you know, just give it some time to get a little better, but at this moment they don't have that much analytics. Number 3 is there is no option to do a stop loss order when you're actively investing. At the moment you can only do market buys, so that's a bummer as well. Number 4 is you don't have the option to do tax loss harvesting. If you don't know what that is, it's essentially a technique that you can use to sell your share or mutual fund at a loss for tax benefits. My final thoughts. Now honestly, it is great to get started with investing, and if you are a beginner in investing and you might be scared of all the analytical tools, all of that, SOFI Invest I feel might be right for you because it allows you to get started with investing without having to be fully scared about it, without putting a lot of money into it. You don't have to get started with a lot of money. You can simply start investing with a couple dollars here or there, as well as you can automatically invest any type of money that you want. If you're one of those people that has been in the investment game for a while and you're more of what we call an advanced investor, this might not be right for you because they're lacking a lot of the advanced technical things that you may need, as well as they don't have the tax loss harvesting and a lot of stop loss stuff like that. That might not be a good thing for you as an advanced investor. But ultimately, if you are looking to get started with investing, if you're a beginner, if you're just looking to get started in investing as a whole, go ahead, check out my link in the description and go get started with SOFI Invest. We are on the road to 20K, guys. So if you are new here, be sure to go and leave a like. Go subscribe to the channel. I'm Brandon Young. I will see you in my next video. Peace.